Good morning children, Jayadash here. Today we will do question number 9 from exercise 8.3 and 9, 10 and 11. These are the three sums are left from this exercise which are based on simple interest. The formula already I have given in your previous classes. Previous 2 classes I have given, but still now I am writing it again. So when simple interest you are finding just only the interest, then it will be SI is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. Number 1. Number 2, when you are finding amount, then principal plus SI. Number 3, when principal you have to find out, then you have to multiply simple interest with 100 by rate into time. 4, when rate is missing, then you have to multiply SI into 100 and divide the product by principal into time. And when you have to find out the time only, then SI into 100 by rate into principal into rate. Understood? When you are always you will look once or two times in on the formula, so that whenever you need this you can use it easily. Now in this question, see, find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each cases. In each case, find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. Where principal is given 1200. That means in question number solution we are doing now. Question number A. Here principal is given rupees 1200. Now rate percent is also given 12%. What does it mean? Per annum. P dot A, per annum means per year. Annum, yearly. Per year 12%. The rate is 12% per year. So principal is equal to rupees 1200 and rate is 12%. So what you have to find out? First of all you have to find out the time. Time 3 years. Time also given 3 years. And first of all you have to find out, to find the amount, what you need first. To find the amount you need SI. Then after finding SI you can find amount easily. Is it? Now these three things are given: principal, rate and time, where you have to find out SI first, then with the help of SI you have to find out amount. Let's start. Now when you know that simple interest equal to write the formula first, P into R into T by 100. Then what will be the simple interest here? Principal equal to 1200 into rate 12%, time 3 years by 100 rupees. Now 0 you can cancel first. Then 12 into 12 144 into 3 rupees. You can multiply at the same time all the numbers also, that is up to you. Now SI equal to 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 1 13, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 here and 4. This is rupees 432. What is this? This is simple interest. Now you have to find the amount to be paid. So to find the amount, the formula is, you know, principal plus simple interest. Then principal equal to rupees 1200 and simple interest. Now we have find it 432. Then what will be the result? Result is, this is rupees. Now the result is rupees 1632. This is 1632. Now the complete sum, see, you are finding simple interest. Simple interest, the formula you have written P into R into T by 100. Then simple interest 1200, rate 12% time 3 and divided by 100. Then SI is equal to 144 into 3 by 100. 0 cancel out, 12 into 12 144, then into 3, the result is 432. Amount principal plus SI rupees 1632. Understood? Next question means question number B. Can I give it for you? Will you try? Okay, I am giving it as your homework. Question number 2 you will do as your in your homework part. Question number 9B, find the amount. This one you will find the amount after 3 years when principal is next question 7500, when principal is rupees 7500, rate is 5% per annum. Then this is your question for your homework. Find the amount after 3 years when principal is rupees 7500 and rate is 5% per year per annum. Now this will be your homework and all of you have to do this. Understood? Now come to the next sum. Question number 10. Now next question number 10. What gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? That means what things are given here? Solution of question number 10. Gives interest. SI is given here. What is the SI? Rupees 280. On the sum of rupees this, that means this sum has been deposited on which the interest 280 has got 56,000 and time is given 2 years. What you have to find out? You have to find out what rate, I think, what rate is missing here. What rate? Then rate you have to find out. What rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of 56,000 in 2 years? So rate is missing. You have to find out the rate. To find the rate, what is the formula? Students, which formula you have to use now? This one, rate is equal to simple interest into 100 by P into T, because SI is given, principal is given, time is given. Only rate is missing here. When rate is missing, so you will do rate equal to, write the formula always, SI into 100 by P into T, then rate equal to simple interest 280, everything I have declared before only, simple interest 280 into 100 and principal is 56,000, time 2 years. So cancel it now. Cancellation, I know that everybody are trying to do the cancellation by your own, so I am giving you few minutes. Okay, how to do 0 0 0 0 0 0. Done. Now 28 ones are 28, 2s are 56. 28 2s are 56. So what you are getting here, rate equal to 1/4%. What do you mean by 1/4%? 1/4 means, do this rough work also. 1/4, this is your rough work. 1/4 means divide it 1, 0.042 are 8, subtracting 2, and for the point 1045 are 20. 0.25%. So 1/4% is same as, therefore rate equal to 0.25%. Understood? Now next question is 11. Question number 11. Okay, question number 11 I will explain next day, as your video become longer. So we will not explain 11 today. I will give you for your homework, and if it is difficult then I will discuss it in the class. Okay. Thank you students. Try to solve question number 11 by your own. Next, if there is any problem you will ask me, I will explain it. Thank you students.